Okay, right now you see on the desk is I have to look over this. This is a Epiphone, probably 1986. It's lot number 560. So this is the 560th one made. There's a possibility of 3 different years this was made. This was either made in 1986, 1996, or 2006. Judging by everything I see, I'm pretty sure this is 1986. It's hard to get it in this bad of condition. And looking at the pickups too, that's about the time frame. Yeah, when you live in a place like Thailand, very hot, you know, where there's a lot of water in the air, you know, and you're not dehumidifying your guitar, you're going to have some serious issues later on down the line. And sometimes that issue doesn't take that long, actually. See, this is the way it works. This is Murphy's Law. When you're filming or you need something, it's usually right there. But when you need it right away, for the sake of needing it right away, it's not there right away. That Murphy guy was a smart guy. And this should lift right out of there. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Check this, see if it's turning. Get this to somehow it's seized in there. A little bit is turning, but there must be a, yeah, you can see that discoloration. What we'll do is spray this up and checking everything out. This is loose enough. I didn't have to unscrew anything with loosen it with a socket or anything. I'm going to throw these out, so don't need to put them in the thing. These are pretty well worn. Not good to anybody. Okay, got these loosened up. I needed a little persuasion. What we're going to do now is, which you don't need to see, we're going to get all this stuff unsoldered so I can, it's got to come off anyway, and I need to see if the pickups work, so I got to take readings of the pickups, look at the condition of the potentiometers and switches, and also check out the neck for whether it's level and whether the truss rod is working correctly. And might as well just get this off now, since I'm going to have to look at the truss rod anyway. Okay, so once I get this all apart, take all my readings, look at everything, then I can make a list and provide that information to the customer so they can decide what they want to do. Because on that list I might have about anywhere from 1 to a few dozen different issues that need to be addressed, and I can put them in order of severity, and what needs to be, it's a must, and other things that can wait. And it's really up to the client. So that's generally how I go over guitars like this.